Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an Emini Trading Room recap for the 3rd of March, Monday, and today was another fun day in the markets. We had a nice gap down and basically sideways to lower the entire day. Our first trade happened shortly off the open. We took a long, which we ended up taking profits on as it rolled over here. Then kind of watched things as they progressed. We took a long over here, which we did take a little profit on, and then got stopped out on the rest, which basically made it into a scratch trade. Market did come down a little bit, and we did get we did get short over here, which we did take some profits on as the market did go lower, and then obviously it came right back up and sold off again. So anyway, we went home with 2 points in the bank. We had 3 trades and 2 0-1 because that one I view as a scratch trade, so really didn't make anything, didn't really lose anything, so it's kind of just there. So anyway, 3 trades, took home 2 points, and that's one of the things that I always try to do is I try to manage risk as much as possible. As much as you can in day trading. Day trading is going to be risky in itself. So I try to maintain risk as much as I can. And that's really what I was doing on the day. We had this scratch trade here, and this trade we made 1 point on. This trade obviously we didn't make anything on. So it is a little frustrating when that happens, and a lot of times, some people, especially, a new trader, someone who hasn't been in the market for a while, or, maybe even a struggling trader, they let the emotions get the best of them, and they begin letting their emotions dictate what they do. Your emotions are very, very powerful, and they can basically dictate your actions. They can, if someone slaps you in the face, your emotions can make you hit them right back. You can decide not to go with your emotional instinct and not hit somebody back. But that's an example, a non-trading related example, which I think means a little bit more than a trading example in this instance. But you do want to be in control of that. You control your emotions. You can control if you eat a lot or if you don't eat a lot, you can control that. Your taste receptors are going to say, well, I like this, I want to eat more, and your obviously, your emotional makeup is going to enjoy that feeling, and that's another example, but it relates very well to trading. If you make a little bit of money, your brain gets an ego. If you lose a little bit, then your brain's going to want to have to get it back, and it's going to make up trades if you're not in control of that. So anyway, hopefully that makes a little sense. And that's one thing I try to do is manage risk, and that way if you get into a trade and that, well, it's either going to work out here or here, and then after that it's on to the next trade, you don't have to really worry about that. But it's a topic that definitely needs more than just a couple minutes dedicated to it. And I do get into that a lot with coaching clients, because that's really, really important, I think. But anyway, hopefully that made sense to you. Got something out of what I was talking about. Thanks for watching the video. Have an awesome night, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.